99% of men never do this, and that's exactly why women don't think about them afterward. Listen carefully. It doesn't matter how attractive you are. It doesn't matter how much money you have. If you don't understand this, you've already lost, because there are small, almost invisible details that determine whether a woman feels something for you or forgets you within seconds. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 things women desire but will never tell you directly. And the last one is what separates average men from the ones she can't forget. So stay until the end, because this completely changes the game. Now let me ask you something. How many times have you had a great conversation with a woman? Everything seemed to be going perfectly, and then suddenly she disappears. No explanation, no clear reason. That's not random. It's a lack of emotional connection. Most men don't even realize why it happens. But today, you will. Before we begin, do this quickly. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and hit like, because here, we don't talk about theory. We talk about what actually works. Let's get into the first secret. Secret number 1, the touch that changes everything. Imagine this. You're with her. She's smiling, engaged, and seems interested, but something feels off. She's not fully present, and then she pulls away and disappears. This is where most men fail. They think everything depends on what they say, but it doesn't. Women don't connect through words. They connect through feelings. And there's one thing that can instantly spark that connection. Physical touch, done correctly. Not aggressive, not forced, subtle, confident, intentional. A simple touch at the right moment can lower her guard and make her feel comfortable around you. Without saying a word, you're telling her, I'm here, you can relax, I'm present with you. And that's more powerful than any perfect line you could ever say. Secret number 2, flirting without being pushy. This is where many men mess everything up. They either try too hard or they don't try at all. But the real secret is balance. Real flirting isn't about what you say. It's about how you say it. It's about energy, playfulness, and a bit of tension. For example, if she says she loves something and you reply with a smile, I'm not sure you've experienced the best version of that yet. That creates curiosity. It sparks emotion. It draws her in. Because you're not seeking approval, you're creating an experience. And that's where real attraction begins. Now here's the twist. The emotional hook. This is the most important part. You can do everything right, but if you miss this final detail, everything falls apart. Because there's an invisible factor that decides whether she remembers you or forgets you. And almost no man understands it. I'll reveal it in the next video. Strong call to action. If you want to learn what 99% of men will never understand, subscribe now, turn on notifications, and comment, I want the secret, so I know you're ready for the next level. See you in the next video. Stay sharp.